Amlan Basak is asking that I invest in mutual funds primarily based on the value research star rating. Is it possible to see the history of star rating, date and change, and upgrade and downgrade for a particular fund in value research online website? If not, can you please plan to add this feature in near future? Yes, I think it's a good idea. We will try and incorporate it as quickly as possible. You get the trailing return and the long-term history. At least I can, quickly enable this. And next design change, we will incorporate this. Value research star ratings is a good, is a good composite measure to, a way to look at risk-adjusted return of funds. It gets revised every month, and it does not change very frequently unless something dramatic has happened to the fund and it's a relative rating, and it is based on its category. So just be careful. Look at the FAQ of using the rating, because there is a lot of misconception. A lot of people, and I think it's important to know that value research, mutual fund rating is a good starting point, but you should definitely look at one or two or three more variables to arrive at it. Value research star rating in itself may not be a complete measure. It is a good indicator. It is a good starting point. It is a good starting point to filter your selection. If you are looking for, investing in a multi-cap fund or a small cap fund or a large cap fund, 5-star and 4-star universe is a good thing to begin with. So, it narrows your universe, but you still have too many funds. Which one of them? And so spend little time in terms of, going beyond rating. You should not bank on the rating in itself.